welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we are going to make a simple quick room tour for this year 2022. Let's go. Welcome everyone on my room. So I decided to collect pink things because pink is my favorite color, and it has a combination of dark and light pink. First of all, once you enter my room, you can see here my bed, my display, and AC, and of course my MIDI collection over there. So my room is this size. It's not small, it is not big, but it is a medium size for me. So pagkapasok niyo po na aking kwarto, makikita niyo po aking mini storage box, and inside of it was my towels, blankets, and more. And also a mini collection of shoes and fan and a sleeper that I use. And beyond this is my cabinet, and above it was my MLP plushies collection. And behind that was my blankets, stationery set, and more of pillows. And now what's inside my cabinet? So as you can see, I have here a BTS poster and my NLP drawings. And once I open it, you can see here a bunch of formal clothes that I use. So here it is. And below there was my pants and more of school supplies. So here it goes. And at the bottom, we can see here a bunch of my school supplies and art supplies, and also my albums and photo books. Hindi po yung K-pop, it's just my photo book X. At the other side of my cabinet, you can see here a bunch of more clothes. So there it is. So at the top, you can see my towels, handkerchiefs, jackets, and sweaters. Next is my pambahay, my pajamas or pantulog, and of course the shorts, t-shirts for pang-alis, and panties, bras, socks, shorts, and more for private clothing. And as you can see, I have here a table because sometimes I used to take my online class here, so it will be very easy. And right here at the corner, you can see my display. And above of it was a picture of me, a picture of a family, family picture, and this is me when I was a toddler, two of Lego collection. And at the second layer, we have here my hygiene kit and makeup place. And at the third layer is my few collection of Blackpink, M&M's and Frozen, and a tradition wood carving. And lastly is my bag collection. And you can see here drawers. It has two layers, and once you pull, you can see here a mess of chargers, earphones, more, and a plastic. Oops. And below was my art set and wallets and more. It's like rumble thing on it, and the medals. And of course, my favorite part in this room was my mini toys MLP collection. As you can see, it's a bunch of collection because MLP was really my favorite. Since when I was a kid and a teenager, I was used to collect this when I was young. So here's all my collection. So guys, I hope you enjoy my simple room quick tour this 2022. And see you in my next video. Goodbye.